channel. I am Ria, and in this video we are going to be clicking some beautiful pictures at home because this is quarantine time and we are all at home and getting really bored. I don't know about you guys, but I am, so I'm going to do something creative and shoot something at home. So if you are interested in this kind of a video, stick around and you will find out how I created all these amazing pictures. So all these pictures can be created with just your mobile phone. You don't need an extra camera or a DSLR or any professional camera for this. You can try this at home and this really works. So let's go. Also, if you want to see the final results of each and every photo, do follow me on Instagram. Yes, shameless promo, but it's I am Ria Basu, and I put on a lot of pictures there, so you can, you know, like visit me, and if you like me, then follow me. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the first photo, I am using my ghar ka parda. This is a very beautiful uh, net ka parda. You can use any kind of curtain which is present at your home and use it as a prop. So guys, shooting at home, सबसे ज़्यादा basic thing is using a prop because we can, and you're at home and you have a lot of things to play around with, so why not? So for this picture I'm going to use this white curtain. So I'm going to take my phone inside the curtain and place myself inside it. You know how this thing is blurring out, so it gives a really nice effect. So these were the first couple of shots that I clicked with the curtain. And the next up, I am gonna बिछाओ my spread my white bed sheet नीचे एकदम ground पे, and we're gonna click some pictures on it. Let's go. So in all these type of shots, self timer is your best friend. Then next up we are gonna sit on this and pose like ऐसे bed के नीचे ऊपर, and our legs would be ऊपर ऐसे. So let me show you guys. The next up is the most simplest one. You can always use the golden hour. So golden hour happens morning में एक बारी and एक बारी evening में. So this like अभी it's 5:40 and it's the perfect time. As you can see, the rays are coming in. It's the same window where I shot the previous one. So you can always use the golden light to amp up your pictures. We're gonna use this now. Then, as I said, it's golden hour time. We are gonna play with some shadow. As you can see, my fingers are coming onto my face really well. So we're gonna play with some shadow by doing, playing with the sun like this. And these are the shadow photography gets really nice results. So let's get to it. And at times you can also just pose around, be comfortable in your own skin, and you can get really good pictures just by some basic poses. You can check out Pinterest. You can find a lot of options. I will include some here, and I tried like one or two poses which I found like very good, and they're very simple, no props, nothing, just the poses, and that's it. So for the next picture, we are going to be using some fairy lights. So fairy lights are so beautiful and just perfect to be captured in a picture. So we are gonna go and put on some fairy lights and click some pictures with it. And all the pictures that I'm showing you, I have clicked them on my own on self timer mode. So keep that in mind and enjoy. Also, I have changed my top because I'm gonna shoot with some fairy lights. So a dark color ka top would go better with fairy lights. So yeah. Now, in the last part, we are gonna set up a studio in the corner of my room using just plain newspapers. So let me show you guys how we can do that. So this is the corner that we're gonna transform. We are gonna put newspapers all over here. And that's going to be our little corner. Now for the last picture, I'm gonna sit over there and click some amazing pictures. Just wait for it. So yeah, that was it guys. I hope you like this video. बहुत मेहनत लगी है. And if you try any of these styles, do tag me on Instagram. My handle is I am Riya Basu. And do let me know if you like this video, or if you do not like this video, then also do let me know. I would love to improve. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of videos, food, travel, fashion. If you like it, you can always subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys are all safe and sound and inside your homes, and I want to make more and more of videos like these. These kind of videos get my creative thing running, and I love making these kind of videos. So yeah, support your girl, and I will see you next time. Bye.